All right, I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of the TalkSocket and then walk you through how to properly charge the TalkSocket. So first, as you'll see, it comes with the TalkSocket. Comes with a Qi wireless puck. And the one thing you don't want to forget about is right here on the side of it comes the charging cord. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you get the charging pad set up properly with the cord. So you can see this, make sure that goes into it properly. Connects in the side of that. You want to take the other end of it. Make sure you're putting that into a USB charging port. And then I'm going to connect it to power real quick. And what I want to show you is on the charging puck, you'll see on the side right here, it's showing red. That's acknowledging that it's connected to power. And then once you put the TalkSocket on it, you'll see that this turns from red to blue, which is really important. So the first thing I'm going to do here is take the TalkSocket and give it a little quick, the top of it, you can see it's got our logo with the G on it. And then this is the bottom. This has the pop socket base. I'm gonna walk you through just how to charge it. So the first thing you remember, it's really important, is to charge the TalkSocket, you actually have to turn it upside down, face down, so the logo is down on the charger. And you make sure it's centered on the charger. And that is how you put the product on there. If you try to do it this way, it'll not charge because the charging coil is on the top of it. And so you wanna make sure the G is facing down. It takes a full 2 hours to charge it. The other thing I want to show you is acknowledging how, if it is charging or not. I said it turns blue. So let's see if I can show this on the camera. So when you see the red there, it's showing red. And as soon as you put the TalkSocket again face down on it, you see that it turns blue. That's acknowledging that, the blue is acknowledging that it is charging. Again, face down on the charger. So that's how you charge the TalkSocket. Thank you.